Man, the world is so beautiful today. And today I learned something so special from that guy right there that you guys sing. Yeah, his name is Wale. And man, that guy is so special, like so cool, such a humble dude, so much wisdom, and he's so amazing and awesome. He honestly taught me the greatest lesson in life. He taught me that, appreciate the little things you have. He's like, many people that live here most of the time and here in United States, they never appreciate things. They're always complaining. Oh,
I know there's poverty like we wouldn't imagine over there. We can't comprehend things like that. But that's where Wali, that's where Omatoso came from. That's where his family is living in now. He's come a long way, a long, long way. And maybe the thought of going back there is the other thing that...
if you guys think that poverty is real and funny, that's really ain't, man. This guy has been through way, way more worse than like we have. Like, have you seen the buildings and the textures of all that crap? That was some serious damage right there, man. Man, this guy's a war hero.
propels him forward. Who wants to go back to that crap? Nobody. You know,
Why does this guy look like Ron Jeremy? I'm just... I'm sorry, guys. This guy looks like Ron Jeremy. I'm sorry.
it's an interesting question. Why is Wally as good as what he is? I think determination, the fact that he's in a new country, the fact that he wants to make good here. I think that the opportunity of eating correctly, being trained correctly, and being cared for. He's got that something that lights you up.
Wiley's the best fight I've ever seen.
Why is this guy bald? Just why, man? At the age of what age do you start turning bald? I don't understand. I don't understand.
Murray Thompson, in my mind, is an honest boxing aficionado. He's an honest boxing guy that loves boxing. He loves his fighters, and he loves the whole thing about this sport that we're involved in.
And I'd like Wiley to win a world title, which I want to open the doors for other people. And if it comes a day with my eyes are too bad, I'd like to just manage fighters. There's an old saying in boxing, when guys get knocked down and fall down forward, they never get up.
Just sometimes I think it's just sport, and what is gonna happen is gonna happen.
If you jump on a footy field, there's a risk of being hurt. Same as boxing. Put the gloves on, there's a risk of being hurt.
I think it can go a long way.
Oh my God, I've been having this dream since when I started boxing. I'm gonna become a world champion, WBC world champion. That's my goal, that's my aim. And I believe with the support of people, the friends, the love from my manager, we're gonna do it.
But he always told me, go take a step in his shoes where he used to live back in the days, like in Africa. And he told me where he used to live right there in the little areas of Africa. Like, it was really hard. It was very, very hard. He moved to 3 different places: Africa, Nigeria, and and also Australia, where he met his wife. But man, like, he said he came a long way from nothing to something. And it took him like so long, 15 years, to move on with his life like that, just to grow strong. Education was so hard for him, everything. And This guy's the real freaking deal, man. Like, it's awesome. He taught me to always appreciate things. Don't ever be lazy and settle for more every day in your life. And that's what I do. That's what every day I always post something. Like, I always got to post something, no matter what. Whatever it is, whatever is bad content, good content. I just want to do I just want to be able to make YouTube videos every day. Anything I want to do. Even whatever you guys want me to do, I even end up trying it. Because that's what it is. It's just a grind every day. I don't ever want to give up on my dreams. Comment, like, subscribe, guys. Also, thank you guys, and pay respect to this guy. Also, don't be harassing this guy, because this guy will beat your ass. So, I'll see you guys. Bye. Enjoy the rest of your time.